Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to make a really cool layered cocktail called Smoke on the Water. So this is going to be a combination of build-in glass and shaker, which is a little different than what we've done before. So to start, we're going to take 1 full ounce of blackberry syrup, and that's going to go right into our rocks glass, as that's going to be our bottom layer in there. So I do recommend switching out your jigger unless you have some way to rinse it out. Otherwise, you're going to get a lot of discoloration in this cocktail. It's not going to get a cool layered look. So then we are going to use 3/4 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Put that in your shaker tin. And then 2 ounces of Mezcal, also going to go into your shaker tin. Now we're going to put ice both in our shaker tin to shake, and then we're going to top our blackberry syrup carefully. You don't want to have it splashing around, so kind of be gentle with that. But I'm going to put ice in there, ice in here. And then we're going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds with the lemon juice and the Mezcal in the shaker tin. Okay, again, fresh squeezed lemon juice. So you're going to Hawthorne and mesh strain. Now, again, we don't want to disrupt the blackberry syrup that's at the bottom. We don't want it to get muddled yet. So we're going to very carefully pour over an ice cube. Try to find a sweet spot so that way it's not messing up that blackberry. All right. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right. Then we are going to, same thing, just so that way we don't get a bunch of mixing happening before we want it to. We're going to pour soda water over an ice cube to top it off. All right. And then for a garnish, I've got a nice blackberry skewer here, and that is just going to sit right on the edge of the glass. Oh, look at how pretty she be. So there we have our smoke on the water. So delicious. Okay, now, obviously, it is a layered cocktail. Always remember when you have a layered cocktail to stir before you drink, before consumption. Okay, I'm going to take this off just because I don't want to mess with my blackberry skewer. Okay, so I'm going to take my mixing spoon. We're going to stir, 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 stir. I'm going to make a mess on the backside, which y'all can't see, but it's okay. We're going to get all of that blackberry syrup now incorporated. You know, it's like makeup. We deceived you at the beginning and made it really, really pretty, and now it's going to taste good afterwards.
What?
That's how we get you guys at the bar. Camouflage.
I don't think that.
I don't know. I got
went the way you wanted it to.
I got my husband with a fish lure shirt, so you know it's fine. Okay. Help. Okay. I'm gonna give it a taste. Remember, we've changed our rating scale. 5 is I could drink this all night. 1, I'd have one and move on, right? Okay. So you definitely get like the smoky smell from the mezcal. I don't get a ton of blackberry smell actually, so we shall see what happens. Oh, that's yummy. Sorry. So you do get the light bit of smokiness. It's not overly smoky though. You get that little light bit of smokiness from the mezcal. That blackberry is just shining through so nicely. The lemon just makes it pop. It's just nice and bright and vibrant. I think I'm gonna have to go with a 5 out of 5 on this one. I could drink this all night. It's light, it's not heavy, it's not sickly sweet, but it's not tart either. It's like this is a beautifully balanced cocktail. I could easily drink this all night long. I'm gonna take another sip just because I want to. It's no longer for science, it's just for me. Okay. Don't forget, ingredients are all listed down below. So if you want to make this cocktail at home, it's super easy for you to do. And then if you do, let me know if you made it and what you thought. Let me know what your rating on this cocktail is. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I can't wait to see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.